Good morning guys, welcome my vlog. May recipe tayo guys, bagong recipe guys. Udong na may baboy at saka gulay. Repolyo. Yan yung bagong recipe guys. Yan, panoorin nyo guys. Masarap yan guys, udong. Lutong Bisaya guys, lutong Bisaya. Panoorin nyo guys, tapos i-share nyo and comment. Tapusin nyo guys, huwag panood guys. Yan sarap guys, hinalo-halo na guys. Yan. Udong yan guys, udong. Yan yung recipe ngayon. Noong nakaraang buwan, hindi ako nakagawa ng recipe guys. Ngayon lang uli. Yan guys, kumukulo-kulo na guys, kumukulo-kulo. Tinik pa na guys. Sarap.
Wangoy na yan, pwede na yan.
Sarap na guys. So guys, sarap guys. Udong. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Maraming salamat guys. Panoorin nyo guys. Share guys. And comment. Maraming salamat. Is watching.